Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee. If you want to see or learn how I made this chicken suya with some yam and some fresh tomato stew, just keep on watching. Add a little bit of salt, cook it about 10 minutes, and voila. Now I'm making the stew. This is the easiest and fastest stew ever, and this is one of my favorite stew to make because it tastes so good and you can eat it with basically anything, like anything. I use fresh tomato because I love fresh tomato, and some fresh onions. I like to start off by frying some onions because it gives the stew some nice taste, and also I love the smell. After adding the tomatoes and the onions, leave it about 2-3 minutes before you start adding those pepper and those season and all that good stuff. Smell really nice. Make sure you taste it as you go so you will know what you need extra, if it's pepper or garlic or ginger, whatever it is. This tastes really good. Yes, to finish it up, I add a little bit of blended fresh onion and ginger. Leave it for a couple minutes and you are good to go. Now I'm about to make my chicken suya. I have already seasoned my chicken. I always keep this in the fridge just in case I had to make some quick meal. I have seasoned the chicken with some ginger, onion, garlic, some chicken flavor, and salt. Oh, before I forgot, I'm using boneless chicken breast. I normally don't fry with this much of oil, but today, why not? As you can see, I have a thing for onion, okay? Cooking with onion. I love the smell and I like the flavor that it gives to the chicken. That's why I fry with some onion. I usually fry about 5 minutes before I cover it so it can not only fry but it can also cook, like boil with water from the heat. I am not a professional cook or anything. I just learn as I go. So I let it cook about maybe 6-7 minutes before I take it out. After the chicken is all done, I'm going to be cutting them in pieces and add the suya powder. Looks so good and also tastes so good. If you don't have a suya powder, you can actually serve this like this. I'm going to be putting it in the oven, which I already heat up the oven up to 375 degrees. I'll be baking it about 3-4 minutes. I really enjoy recording this video. This is my first time recording and cooking at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. If you tried this, send me pictures. Let me know what you think. This tastes really good. This is one of my favorite African food, by the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Bye.